Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be doing a follow-up to my Android 11 Developer Preview 2 update, or not an update to my update, but I'm going to be doing an update to the video I did on the Preview 2 update. I'm going to do a little follow-up here. We do have some issues I'm noticing. I went to send a picture for work yesterday through email, so I hopped in, to the camera app here to take the picture, and looks like it took the picture, but if you notice down here, it's gray. There's nothing there. So you can take as many, shots as you want. Nothing comes up. If we pop over here down to photos, there's nothing. I also went to take a screenshot yesterday, and when I did it, looks like it takes the screenshot. It may have actually done it that time, but I kept getting an error saying the screenshot couldn't save. So let's see. Yeah, there we go. Couldn't save screenshot is the message I get. And then nothing comes up in photos. I was able to take one screenshot the other day. It was the one I took of the update screen showing that, Android 10. So I was able to take that, but then after that it's not saving screenshots, it's not saving photos, anything like that. I don't know exactly why. I can take photos in other apps, like WhatsApp, and I can send them through that app, but they still don't save to the device itself. So big storage camera bug there. I don't know if it's not the camera app, I don't think, because it's, screenshots isn't working as well. So I'll have to check some things and see if I can fix that issue. Let me know if you guys are having this issue as well. I want to see if it's a widespread bug or if it's something with my device, if I need to reinstall something, or something of that nature. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.